Alrighty, so we're doing the intercooler on the old girl. Stock intercooler went here. There's just a little baby, I'll get a shot of that. Yeah, so that's a stock intercooler. She's a bit beat up and I painted it a couple of years back. There's that. Might use that to adapt the new one. But so far, I've taken the bull bar off. Everything else connected to the bull bar I've taken off. My antenna and grill's just up here because it's going through my grill, so I can't take that off fully. And this is the new intercooler I'm going to fit. I've fitted this fan myself. They're just a little eBay kit. I'll tell you where to get those, but that's how they mount. It's 3-inch outlets. I'm going to have to get that 3-inch back to, I think this is 2-inch. But I've got a few doodads for that. Yeah, so right now I'm just measuring up some brackets. They have to be to 350 each. So 350 between the holes on the radiator. Look at something, a little something like that. This will be my top mount, which I'm going to put right around there. So that will go into the back, into my grill a little bit. But if I have to make some chops and changes, I'm more than happy to do that. Alright, I'll get a little video when that's all welded up. There's that all prepped up. Just on the old wire wheel. Should be enough just to get that zinc coating off, bring back the bare metal. And yeah, I'll lay down some welds now. There's the first little weld after a wire wheel. I mean, I'm using flux core on the little machine. Ooh. Oh, yep, focus. Yep, on the little Viper 120 by Unimig. It's a great little machine. We got the bigger TIG MIG, Big Daddy Renegade over here too. But yeah, I just went for the flux core. We do have argon on the back there as well. But yeah, flux core is my preferred method. Just for little shit like this, but I mean, for an intercooler, that's going to hold fine. I'll do the insides and that inside seam as well. There's that inside seam. I mean, not amazing, but on flux core and being a self-taught driveway welder, I'm pretty happy. Solid as. And there she is. That's a finished bracket. It's not amazing, and I'm not a fabricator, so show you how that fits. Hang on, it's gonna be a bit of one-handed. Yeah. Oh, she's hot as fuck. Oh, yep, drop that. Alright. Yeah, so this will fit on there like so. Except the other way around. So bang, bang. So I had to cut my grill down. But it's just one of the things you have to do to make it fit. Still might need to round that off just so it's not cutting into the pipe. Pretty sure there should be clearance under there. Take that back off, sort that out when I'm finished. It's coming along nicely though, nice afternoon. I might call it a day here. If not, I'll post more, but yeah, I'm still waiting on a few parts. There's bottom mounts. All painted, so they shouldn't rust out. Painted the holes I put in here. Little touch-up painter here and there, and it looks pretty good. I'm gonna leave it overnight, and I'll start fitting up the intercooler tomorrow. I'm also gonna paint this bracket up. Woohoo! Little test fit with the bull bar on. As you can see, it's going to be pretty snug in there. Fan's just out of the way. Yeah. Pretty groovy. No room for winch or anything anymore, but I was never going to do that anyway. Yeah, should be pretty mint. Alrighty. So I welded up a bracket and modified the stock plate that was in there. 90-degree bend from 2" to 3" to adapt into that. This pipe here is off a PK Ranger, I already had that on there. It goes up, over into the turbo. If I could change anything, I would go back to yesterday. Make this level just a little bit higher and cut more out of the grill, but I mean, I'm happy enough. Then I've just had a 90-degree bend going up into the blow-off valve, up into the intake. I've still got to rough this side in. This side is solid. This side doesn't have anything holding it. But I mean, so it doesn't have a bolt going up into here, like I've done for here. But that's because this is alloy, and that's a steel stock pipe that I used. Ew. On from pissy little intercooler that sat down there, the big boy, to the big old deal. So you can see, big fucking difference. Get some fuel in it, go for a drive around once it's all back together, and hopefully she's rearing. Yeah, so I got frustrated with that, went back in and made it straight. So now that it's not up anymore, you can see those brackets are on the same level. Remember, not a welder. So here she is on the highway, full boost, about 110 at 350. I'm not driving, just so you can see, not breaking any laws. But yeah, the EGTs are way down. Struggle to get them over 400. We're on a slight uphill too. Doing $1.13. Yeah, had it in here for about half a week, and it's loving it. It hasn't popped any pipes off. Yeah, full boost, still around 400. Yeah, so I'm just working on my next video, but it's been a week. It's actually been over a week. It's been about 2 weeks. And yeah, the intercooler is still rearing. Hasn't popped off. The EGTs are down to about 300-400 on average. Way better. Alright, I guess I'll start putting this video together now, but yeah. There she is.